Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in on the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesday, hosted by Lilo's Craft and Marianne's Craft Corner. I will link both of their channels down below. These are the embellishments that I made this week. I think they came out so sweet. Let me show you the supplies that I was using and why I was using them. I received this die in a recent Temu haul and I wanted to test it out. I cut it out in some glittered paper. It cut very nicely. It did curl at the ends. At first I was going to clip off the ends. After I put it together, it gives it a lot of dimension and I like how it looks that way. So I decided to keep it. I used this Sizzix Bigs die and this is the primitive hearts. There's three. They cut three different sizes. I pulled some scrap paper. I cut it 3 times so I could make 3 hearts. What was left over from my scrap paper that originally was already a scrap, I went back and used a heart punch and punched all these cute hearts, and I did some paper piercing to have some different options. I also did the same with a couple of the banners. And again, that was using all the scrap paper up, which was great. Super happy with how these ended up cutting out with as thin as these are, but it cut very well. I added some bows that I pulled from my stash, a couple different styles. This is the trim that I used to wrap the hearts, and those are my heart embellishments this week. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.